Good morning, students. Welcome to Amazing Facts. Today we are going to see some 26 facts about our Indian Constitution. So let's see the 26 facts you didn't know about the Constitution of India. Fact number 1. The father of our Indian Constitution is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and he was ready to burn it if it failed to protect the minorities. Fact number 2. The original copies of our Indian Constitution were written in Hindi and English. Fact number 3. The English version has 1,17,369 words. Fact number 4. It is the longest constitution in the world. Fact number 5. So the fact number 5 is it has 448 articles and 12 schedules. The Constitution of India wasn't typed or printed. Rather, the fact number 6 is it was handwritten by Prem Behari Naren Raizada in a following italic style. Fact number 7. Each page was uniquely decorated by artists from Shantiniketan. Fact number 8. The original copies are stored in helium-filled cases in the Indian Parliament. Fact number 9. The Constitution declares India a sovereign, socialist and secular country and also democratic and republic. Fact number 10. It assures its citizens justice, equality and liberty and endeavors to promote fraternity. Fact number 11. 9th December 1946, the Constitution Assembly met for the first time. Fact number 12. It took 2 years, 11 months and 17 days to write it all down. Fact number 13. 2000 amendments were made when the first draft was put up for debate. Fact number 14. 26 November 1949 is declared as Constitution Day. The final draft was ready. Fact number 15. 24 January 1950, 284 members of the Constituent Assembly signed the Constitution. Fact number 16. 26 January 1950, the Constitution of India was legally enforced. Fact number 17. The national emblem of India was adopted on the same day. Fact 18. The Constitution of India is inspired by the constitutions of several nations. Fact 19. The Constitution is based on a series of statutes enacted by the British Parliament. Fact 20. The ideals of liberty, equality and fraternity come from the French Constitution. Fact 21. The 5-year plans were adopted from the USSR. Fact 22. The laws governing our Supreme Court were taken from Japan. Fact 23. Suspension of fundamental rights during emergency rule came from the Weimar Constitution of Germany. Fact 24. The preamble was inspired by the US Constitution's preamble. Both begin with "We the people." Fact 25. The Constitution's basic structure stands on the Government of India Act 1935. Fact 26. Amended only 94 times in over 60 years. So children, I hope you are benefited with this information about the 26 amazing facts of our Indian Constitution. So my India, my pride. Thank you.